Hey guys, it's Bell1010 here, and these are my new stuffed animals, which they're not webkins though. This is my stuffed dog, and his name is Doggity, who is a boy, and this stuffed animal's name is Leo the lion. Yep. And here's something else. If you have a stuffed animal like this with hair like this, then you just need to get a brush along. This, maybe some spray like this. And probably spray a little on like so. And maybe you would want to brush it out. And if your parents won't allow you to use any spray, just use Build-A-Bear spray. If you don't have any of that, then just fill up one of these kind of bottles if they're empty, and then spray it on. So then if you need a stuck for stuffed animal names, then for any lions or dogs, then I just have some. Yeah. Now you're gonna pay attention to this. Bell1010 stuffed animal names. I have dogs like Doggity, Bingo, Roger, Ronnie, which I don't know how to spell it, but is my cousin's name. Bailey, Bella, Max, Lucy, which I know a dog's name is that, Charlie, and Molly. You remember, those are dog names, so you might want to pause it and write all these down. And lion names are Leo, Ariel, Aba, Lionel, and Apollo. Remember, the lion names I just got off of a website, so I don't know about Ariel or Abaz, but I do know Lionel would be a good one, or Apollo, and Leo. Like, subscribe, and comment.